Look at this one. An angelfish. Well, hello there. I am an angelfish, the prettiest thing in the sea. What a shame there are no other creatures as gorgeous and as lovely as me. Angelfish. Angelfish are pretty. They definitely are very pretty. Oh, this one's one of my favorite ones. A jellyfish. The jellyfish just loves to jiggle. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. Which other fish think is quite silly. She knows that it's not all that useful, but jiggling is lots of good fun. She likes to jiggle her little tentacles all over. That's one of my favorite ones.